Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Gerard. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Discipline and self-control. How do we master discipline? How does anyone master anything other than practice and repetition and a determination to persevere to our goal? How does a great ball player become a great ball player? How does a great stockbroker become a great stockbroker? How does a great father become a great father? Mastering discipline means being in control of our thoughts, words, and actions. When we're disciplined enough to change our thoughts, words, and actions, when they're not serving us, we've mastered discipline. We then take this practice wherever we go, and it serves us. Every day we deal with a whole new set of circumstances and experiences in which we learn again how to gain self-control. Lacking self-discipline can be described as an affirmation that we don't have self-control. When we're undisciplined, we're basically saying that our thoughts, words, and actions are not in our control. Ponder a subject in which you exercise self-control and ask yourself why you have control over this subject and not the other subject, which you say is out of your control. If you have control over one matter, then you have control over all matters, since you use the same practice of discipline over everything. The only difference is in your feeling of powerlessness on this subject in which you are lacking self-control. When we affirm we have self-discipline, we're changing our belief system into believing we're in control. If we were to tell ourselves all day long we want to eat a piece of chocolate cake, what would eventually happen if we didn't change our focus? This applies to everything in life, including the larger problems we believe are beyond our reach. If we keep focusing on something over and over again, we move towards it by law. If you were to tell yourself in your earlier years, I have discipline and self-control, I believe in myself, I trust myself, and I can do anything I set my mind to, would you be in the same place you are today? If you say yes, I think I would still be in the same place as I am today, then you're basically saying that your thoughts and words hold no power. If you say, I believe I would still be in the same place regardless of how many times I spoke these affirmations, you're basically saying, I have no control. What do you have control over other than your thoughts and the words you speak? Doesn't all action stem from the thoughts and words you repeat over time? What happens when we live with someone who lacks discipline all our lives? Many times we begin to pick up on these traits, and if we don't do anything about changing these negative patterns, they will eventually create our experiences. Don't wait until the problem manifests before changing the underlying thoughts that created the problem to begin with. Without discipline, we can't stick to anything because everything in life requires self-control in order to move forward. Everyone can have discipline. It just takes time, practice, and perseverance to achieve our goals. This practice begins with the affirmation, I have discipline. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I hope everyone enjoyed that as much as I did. These articles are just amazing. I love them. I love how they touch me, and I love being able to read them to you. We'll keep doing these every Monday at 6 p.m. So till next Monday, I hope you have a beautiful week, and I hope you have a beautiful day today. With love, take care.